Hello everybody. Hello Terence.
Hello Myriam.
We're here to talk about the flexible SD-WAN self-care. So first, could you tell us what's the difference between the flexible SD-WAN self-care and the vendor interface?
Yes, so the vendor portal allows the customer to manage easily his hybrid networks, and it provides a lot of data about the connectivity for the edge, for the access and for the cloud. While our flexible SD-WAN self-care is leveraging on top of that with all the assets of the telco operator.
And what do you mean by the assets of the telco operator?
I mean that at the telco operator, we've got real experience, we've got a huge knowledge on the network management.
Okay, so we do have the experience to operate networks at scale. This is part of our DNA. We know how to monitor with the right processes, the right tools, and we have the knowledge to do so. And
yes, and thanks to this DNA you talk about, we can gather all the data coming from the different vendors, and we will leverage this with the processes and the tools. So, for example, the changes, the incidents, and we will leverage also with the data correlation and data shaping on between the underlay and between the overlay. And all this thanks to our operator business knowledge.
So if I understood well, and the flexible SD-WAN self-care value proposition is to offer a single pane of glass for all the SDX connectivity, all the layers, and yes, from the edge to the cloud.
Yes, this is it, yes.
Okay, and could you tell us, show us a bit more about that?
Yes, so I can show you the interface. Mm-hmm. So mainly we've got 6-7 sections. So in the first one, you've got the home page where you will find globally your network health and the main KPIs coming from the self-care. Mm-hmm. Then if you go to the monitor section, you can check what's happening currently. So you've got some real-time information. After you've got the report section where you've got an historical view, so you can analyze, you can understand what has happened. And then in the configure section, you've got the capacity to react, to adapt your configuration and to check it. Mm-hmm. And in the incident section, you've got the global view and capacity to open new issues for all your connectivity.
Okay, and if you need to, if you want to customize your self-care, is it possible?
Yes, you can do it in the parameters section, yes.
Okay, and if you need to get assistance from Orange?
Yeah, yes, you can also. You've got the last section in help section where you've got an historical view of the evolutions of the self-care, and you've got also a quick start guide, so you've got some assistance to use the self-care.
So thank you, Terence.
Thank you, Myriam.
So if you want to know more about flexible SD-WAN self-care, do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.